Today we will be discussing about a particle in 3-dimension infinitely deep potential well. Now let us suppose that the particle is restricted to move in a box with sides A, B and C. This is length, breadth and height are A, B and C. Let the walls of the box be impenetrable, and so the probability of finding the particle at the wall of the box is 0. That is, psi 0 yz is equal to psi x 0 z is equal to psi x y 0, this is equal to 0. Let this be boundary condition A. And for walls A, B and C, we can say that psi ayz is equal to psi xbz is equal to psi xy c, this is equal to 0. Let this be boundary condition B. Now the Schrodinger equation in 3 dimension for a free particle constrained to move in the box is given by del 2 psi upon del x square plus del 2 psi upon del y square plus del 2 psi upon del z square plus 2m upon h cross square e psi, this is equal to 0. Now let us solve this equation by the method of separation of variable, so that we may write psi xyz is equal to capital X into capital Y into capital Z, where capital X is a function of X only, capital Y is a function of Y only, and capital Z is a function of Z only. Substituting this in Schrodinger equation and dividing by x, y, z, we finally get the equation 1 upon capital X del 2 capital X upon del x square plus 1 upon capital Y del 2 capital Y upon del y square plus 1 upon capital Z del 2 capital Z upon del z square plus 2m upon h cross square e, this is equal to 0. Now this equation may also be written as 1 upon x del 2x upon del x square, this is equal to minus 1 upon y del 2y upon del y square minus 1 upon z del 2z upon del z square minus 2m upon h cross square e. In this equation, left hand side is a function of x alone, while right hand side is a function of x and y and is independent of x. It is necessary that the value of the quantity to which each side is equal must be independent of x, y and z. That is, each side must be equal to a constant, suppose let it be minus kx square, so that we can write 1 upon x del 2x upon del x square is equal to minus kx square, and also minus 1 upon y del 2 capital Y upon del y square minus 1 upon z del 2 capital Z upon del z square minus 2m upon h cross e, this is also equal to minus kx. That is, both sides must be equal to same constant, that is minus kx square. So now from this equation I can say that 1 upon y del 2 capital Y upon del y square, this is equal to kx square minus 1 upon z del 2 capital Z upon del z square minus 2m upon h cross square e. And in this equation, left hand side is independent of z while right hand side is independent of y. Therefore, if above equation is to be satisfied, each side must be equal to a same constant, suppose let it this be minus ky square. So we can say that 1 upon y del 2y upon del y square is equal to minus ky square, and kx square minus 1 upon z del 2z upon del z square minus 2m upon h cross square e, this is also equal to minus ky square. Now this equation must also can be written as 1 upon z capital del 2z upon del z square is equal to kx square plus ky square minus 2m upon h cross square e. Let this also be equal to kz. So, minus kz square. So 1 upon capital Z del 2z upon z del z square is equal to kz square, and kx square plus ky square plus kz square plus 2m upon h cross square capital E. So E can be written as h cross square upon 2m kx square plus ky square plus kz square. Now we will use these two boundary conditions. Now the general solution of capital X and capital Y and capital Z equation can be written as capital X is equal to a1 sin kxx plus b1 cos kxx. Y is equal to a2 sin kyy plus b2 cos kyy. And Z is equal to a3 sin kzz plus b3 cos kzz. Now using boundary condition in these three equations. First boundary condition is at x is equal to 0, capital X equal to 0. So we can write कि at x equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0 plus cos 0 is 1, so b1 is equal to 0. Similarly, from this equation we will get b2 is equal to 0, and from this equation we will get b3 is equal to 0. So we can say that b1 is equal to b2 is equal to b3 is equal to 0. So this equation reduces to capital X equal to a1 sin kxx, capital Y is equal to a2 sin kyy, and capital Z is equal to a3 sin kzz. Now using boundary condition B, we can say that at x is equal to a, capital X is equal to 0. So at x equal to a, capital X is equal to 0. So we get sin kxa this equal to 0. Here kxa is equal to nx pi, since a1 is not equal to 0. So we can say that kx is equal to nx pi upon a. Similarly, for ky we will get ky is equal to ny pi upon b, and for kz we will get nz pi upon c. So here we have taken nx, ny and nz, which are integers, of which none is equal to 0. Otherwise psi will be equal to 0 for whole box. Now substituting this value in psi is equal to capital X into capital Y into capital Z, we will get psi is equal to a1 this into this into this, a1 into a2 into a3, which I have taken as a. So we will get a sin nx kx nx pi upon a, sin ky ny pi upon b, sin kz nz pi upon c. Now substituting this value of kx, ky and kz, we will get the energy eigenvalues, which are as follows: E is equal to E nx ny nz, this is equal to pi square h square upon h cross square upon 2m into nx square upon a square plus ny square upon b square plus nz square upon 3. Now the least possible, that is the ground state energy value, is obtained by putting nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1 and nz is equal to 1. So we will get the value of E111 is equal to pi square upon h square upon 2m into 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. Clearly the value of capital E is impossible. Now for a spherically symmetric well, that is when A is equal to B is equal to C, we will get the value of E111 is equal to 3 pi square h cross square 2m upon a square. It is clear that there may be several modes possessing the same energy, E121, E211, E112. The states giving the same energy for a combination of quantum numbers nx, ny, nz are called degenerate states. Now E, nx, ny, nz. This equation indicates that the energy value of a particle in an infinitely deep potential well are not continuous but discrete, and the particle has different bound states inside the bell. Thank you.